into the water goblet, and the amount of the liquid of the water may be 3/4 of the water goblet. Good morning all students. So today you will meet the teacher again about how to serve the water to the customer. Normally we have any type of customer and also the table arrangement. So right now the teacher show you about the two of the customer that sit at the table. So make sure you serve the water to the lady first, but if the table have first two ladies, so you can serve which one up to you. So for the standard of the serve the water, you should be stand at the right hand side of the customer, but it's not closer to the customer like that. Okay, maybe 1 meter from the customer, and you can open your water jet or water pitchers and pour the water slowly into the water goblet, and the amount of the liquid of the water may be 3/4 of the water goblet. Cannot pour full of the glass. Okay, so you move to another side and set to another guest also. So pour it gently and slowly. Amount of 3/4 of the water goblet. And I want to inform you that if the customer sitting at a large table or long table, so it means that the space in the table is not, you can provide or pour the water to the customer. Make sure you use your hands and handle the glass at the stem of the water goblet like that, and you pour the water and serve to the customer. Okay, in that case, it happened during we have the tour guest or maybe from a travel agency. It means that they sit at a long table and we have so many customers, so we don't get the space to serving the water. So make sure you asking permission to the customer. Excuse me, sir, madam, ladies and gentlemen, could I serve the water to use before you serve it to the customer? So I hope that you will understand about how to serve the water to the customer, and you will follow our step. So thank you so much for your watching this video, and hope to see you again with the next video.